Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are making shrimp and cheesy grits. So first I am going to be boiling some chicken stock. You can use water if you don't have chicken stock, but chicken stock is going to give my grits a lot of flavor. And I am just eyeballing how much grits to put in there. I've been making grits forever, so I can always tell how much is enough. But if this is your first time making grits, or you're not comfortable with making grits, just follow the directions on the back of the grits box. And make sure you stir it right after you put your grits in your water or your chicken stock, just so you won't have those little grit balls. Grits usually don't take that long, but always make sure you stir every few minutes to make sure it doesn't burn at the bottom or form little grit balls. And once you get your desired thickness of your grits, you can add in some butter and some pepper, and you can also season it with anything you want to taste. And I'm actually going to be pouring in a little bit of heavy whipping cream just to give my grits a creamier texture. This is optional, but I'm going in with some extra sharp cheddar. If you don't eat cheese in your grits, I don't know how you do it, because this is the only way I can eat grits. And I always use extra sharp cheddar cheese. You can use whatever cheese you would like, or any of your favorite cheeses you can put in there, but I always use extra sharp cheddar. And like I said before, you can season it how you like it. I'm just taking a little bit of black pepper. I didn't use any salt because chicken stock has a lot of salt in it, so I didn't add any more salt. So now we're going to start cooking our shrimp. And I am just placing this all over my pan, kind of spread them out a little bit, and then I'm going to drizzle some olive oil on top so they won't burn and they can all cook evenly. So now that we got our shrimp cooked, we are going to set our shrimp aside, and we're going to use all of that leftover flavor to make our gravy. So now I'm just taking a half a stick of butter and getting that all melted down. Then I am going to take some of my Trinity mix and my trio peppers, and I'm going to cook that down in the butter. And I almost forgot, I put 2 teaspoons of garlic in here as well. So now I'm just gonna add some cornstarch to help thicken my gravy. And I actually messed up. I put way too much cornstarch. Just use 2 tablespoons of cornstarch to start. And if you want it a little thicker, you can add more. But I put way too much cornstarch. I don't know what I was thinking, but do as I say, not as I do, okay? And once you add your cornstarch, you want to kind of cook that down as well so it can absorb all the flavors of the peppers and the onions and the garlic. So you want to mix that around for a little bit before you add your whipping cream. Now I am just adding whipping cream, and I'm just adding it a little at a time because I don't want any clumps of that cornstarch left in there. So I'm trying to gradually add and mix it in very well. And I added in some chicken stock as well. And I added my chicken stock until I got it to a consistency that I liked. And I had to add a lot of it because I added too much cornstarch. So it was like extra thick. And I didn't want my gravy extra thick. So just add add your chicken stock until you get to a consistency that you like. After you get it to the consistency that you like, you can season it up how you like it, and then you're done. Now I am just plating it up for you guys, making it look all pretty. I'm just gonna add my grits to my bowl, and I'm gonna place the shrimp on top. And I am just drizzling some of my gravy on top, and as you can see, it's still kind of thick, but it's still edible, so it's okay. And I am topping it with some fresh parsley and some bacon that I forgot to record. But yep, that is it. This is what it looks like after it's all done and plated, and it was so good, so amazing, and so much flavor, y'all. This shrimp and grits was super bomb. You guys gotta try it. Anywho, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video.